Good morning, YouTubers. Got a pretty morning here. It's supposed to rain later, like always in Ohio. Got rained out yesterday evening. Got the rocker panel all welded in. I had to do quite a bit of work to the bottom of it, and really beefed up the area where the steps bolt on, and had to do some welding to the bottom of the door. The outer skin was separated from the inner skin. So getting ready to get the big wire wheel and get the crud out of the door seams, and we'll treat those and prime them and spray some red paint on them, and maybe do a little body work on it. Like I said, this is not a show truck by no means. Had been, we'd have bought factory rocker panels. It didn't turn out too bad. Let me show you the other side. It's done. I got the step back on it, and there the rocker is done, and the inside of the door. So that's what the other side will look like here, hopefully today. Like I said, I didn't sand and grind it every little. There's a little piece right there I should have got off, but you can't really get in there with a sander, and I wasn't about to take the doors off this thing to fix the rocker panels. It's not that critical to me for this truck. But the steps now, I mean, they're like concrete. So, and that's I mean, I wanted the rocker panels fixed, but the biggest problem was the steps were spongy on this side, and after getting up there and working on it, getting under there and replacing that all that metal, it's a wonder the steps didn't fall off. I don't know what was holding them on. They were just bolted to rust. So on another note, I used a full stick of 3" by 1/8 inch flat bar on this truck. Between, you got three pieces basically. You got a piece that's your inner rocker that goes in behind here, and then I put a piece along the bottom, complete on that side, and then you got this piece here. So it takes three pieces to make this box, and then I made extra plates to go like right there where the extra bracing for where the steps bolt on. So I don't ever want to have to do this again. So yeah, it's I think there's about 7 inches left out of a full stick of 1/8 inch by 3 inch plate. So if you go to do this and you don't want the aftermarket cap on deals, I think I was going to do it again. I would get the caps, the rocker arm slide overs or whatever, and I'd use 1/8 inch on the inside for the inner structure, just for strength, and then weld those plates over it. The weld on rocker caps or whatever. You can buy them pretty cheap online, but I believe that's how I'd do it over. If I was going to do it, it'd be a lot faster, but this is much stronger. It's a lot of welding, a lot of grinding, and if you're looking for a show truck, you definitely don't want to do it this way. It's just too much grinding and welding to cover up. But I don't know. I had the metal, and it looked like it made sense to me at the time, and I don't know if I did it over again if I would do it that way or not, but I know this way is strong, and it'll take decades to rust out an 1/8 inch piece of steel, where a thin piece of sheet metal, 4 or 5 years from now, if it's not taken care of or anything sprayed up in there, it'll rust out again. So anyway, that's where we're at. Getting ready to probably first thing I'll do is put the wire wheel on that little grinder there and gouge out the rest of this rust. I've done all the welding I'm going to do to it, so I'll update you when we get this side done. And I've got the plates, the mounting plates on the end of those steps are rusty and crusty, so the other side I already ground that all off, got every bit of rust off, and treated it and then painted it. So we'll probably clean those up and get those drying. I would like to see this done today. It's supposed to rain, like I said, here later. So, but anyway, I might throw a little Bondo on it and try and paint it here today after a while. It doesn't take long to knock the rust off here with that wire wheel I got, and we'll start putting some filler on it. And thanks for watching. Those of you who have subscribed, I appreciate you. I know you don't have to take your time out to watch this silly stuff, but I hope if anybody's watching this, they either got entertained or learned a little something. If you got any comments or suggestions, you know, throw them at me. I'm open to any of that. And hope everybody's healthy, and hope you're having a great day. And hopefully this lockdown will be over soon and we can go back to our lives. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe.